everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm just here doing a quick video from the bedroom because I have some exciting news and I just really wanted to tell you all. So basically I am now a brand ambassador for Easy Car Care, and I've been sent this lovely box. So I just wanted to unwrap it with you guys, and then we're going to use it on the weekend on our Civics. So yeah, come watch my unwrapping journey. So I just wanted to show you what was in the box that they sent me. So I've already sort of started unwrapping. I just like jabbed myself in the chin with the box. But yeah, I just wanted to go through what was in it. Just start with, I have some spare little spray bits. I've got this mitten, wash mitt. Ooh, it looks super fluffy, so I'm excited to use that. I've been given some microfibers, some spare, I think they're like the waffle cloth things for like windows. But it looks like, oh, it's so soft. What looks like a small drying towel, wax pad, obviously a lanyard, air freshener, some quick detailing spray. Ooh, I bet that smells so good. It's called Cherry Bomb Luxury Car Care Shampoo. I bet that smells so good. I can't wait to open these in a second. Smell them. And then I've got window and glass cleaner. Oh, there we go. And last but not least, we have some wax, some ceramic wax, which I was not expecting to even get like any cleaning product. I want to open them, so I'm going to open them all and smell them. This has like a really nice like citrusy smell, obviously with the wax as well. I don't think the glass cleaner is going to smell the thing, but I'm still going to smell it. No, just not the glass cleaner. And I just want to smell the cherry bomb. Oh my goodness. I would just buy this just for the smell of it. Like, this literally has the best smell. It reminds me of like when you were younger and you used to get them like cherry, like Haribo sweet things. Oh my goodness, this smells amazing. I'm so impressed with the smell. This I can't smell yet, but I'm not going to open it until I put it in the car. So I'll tell you how it smells then. But it says Ocean on it. Let me unwrap these. Ooh, so this is an edgeless drying towel, I think. But it feels so soft. And I'll feel the wash mitt as well. Oh, that's really cool. So inside it's got, usually when you buy these from like houses or something, they're just like one bit in the middle, like you just put your hand in and then it's just empty. Whereas this, you put your hand inside and it's got a sewn bit here, so you can get more of like a surface area grip instead of just sort of this floppy mess when you're trying to like clean your car. But yeah, and it's like proper spongy. This is probably one of my best things I think I'm ever gonna own. Like I said, I'm going to be working with them. You might see me at some of the shows that they attend. But yeah, I've never had like a sponsor or been an ambassador for a company. So I'm actually really proud of how far I've come. And I really hope that like you guys can appreciate the products because they smell so good, and then I'm going to test them out. But anyway, I'll put them down below, I'll link them down below, and there will be a discount code coming as well, so make sure you don't miss out on that because these smell so good. Anyway, right, I'll leave you to it, but I just wanted to tell you all my really good news as I can't stop smiling right now. Thanks guys, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.